Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. A super healthy recipe with foxtail millet, which is excellent for your heart, nervous system, skin and hair. This is a great recipe for all diabetic patients. Let's see how to make this mixed veg porridge with foxtail millet. First you need to soak this foxtail millet for 5-10 minutes. Then drain out the excess water and keep it aside. Now into a pan add some oil and splutter some Urad Dal, Channa Dal and some mustard seeds. Now add some finely chopped onion, saute it till it changes its color. Then some chopped ginger and garlic. Saute till raw smell goes. Add some green chilies and saute. Now let's add some veggies like carrots, beans, green peas, saute it. Now then close the pan and cook the veggies for 5-10 minutes. Now the veggies are half cooked. Saute it for some time. Now add some salt and mix it. Now add the soaked foxtail millet without the water. Mix it nicely with the veggies. Let's add some spices like turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and some garam masala. Give it a nice mix. And here we added half cup of foxtail millet. So I'm adding 1.5 cup of water. Close the lid and cook this on a low to medium flame. Mostly 90% of the water got evaporated and the foxtail millet also got nicely cooked. Cook it for another 5-10 minutes to evaporate all the excess water. Finally add some chopped coriander leaves and our mixed veg foxtail millet upma is ready. It's best to have with some chutney, pickles and some fries. So here I added some air fried fries. Definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.